If you own a FINIS Duo MP5, you know how important it is to keep it charged and ready for your swim sessions. Having an extra charging cable on hand means you never have to worry about running out of power when you need it most. This genuine FINIS replacement charging cable is designed specifically for the Duo MP5, ensuring seamless compatibility and reliable performance. It works perfectly with the universal wall charger, so you can trust it to deliver consistent power every time. One of the biggest benefits is its fast charging capability. This cable quickly powers up your Duo MP5 player, so you spend less time waiting and more time swimming. Whether you're prepping for a competition or just enjoying your daily laps, fast charging keeps you on schedule. Keeping a spare cable in your swim bag is a simple way to avoid interruptions. If your original cable gets misplaced or damaged, you're already covered. This handy extra means you won't miss a beat or a swim because of a dead battery. Authenticity matters when it comes to replacement parts. This cable is a genuine FINIS product, built to the same quality standards as your original. That means durability, reliability, and a perfect fit every time. Many users in the United States have praised this replacement cable for its great price and prompt delivery. It's a straightforward solution that doesn't break the bank but adds significant convenience to your swim routine. The design is simple and practical. Lightweight and easy to pack, it fits effortlessly into any swim bag without adding bulk. This makes it ideal for swimmers who travel or train at multiple locations. Compatibility with the universal wall charger means you don't need any special adapters or extra equipment. Just plug it in and let your Duo MP5 charge quickly and safely. If you're someone who relies on your Duo MP5 for tracking swim workouts or enjoying underwater audio, this replacement cable is worth a look. It ensures your device is ready whenever you are. Charging cables can wear out over time, especially with regular use. Having a replacement ready helps avoid last-minute scrambles or missed sessions. This cable offers peace of mind and uninterrupted performance. The straightforward setup means you don't need technical skills to get started. Simply connect the cable to your player and charger, and you're good to go. No complicated instructions or extra tools required. Investing in this spare cable means you extend the life and usability of your Duo MP5. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in your daily swim experience. With positive reviews highlighting its reliability and value, this charging cable stands out as a smart buy for any FINIS Duo MP5 owner. Whether you're a casual swimmer or a serious athlete, keeping your device charged is essential. This replacement cable supports your training by ensuring your player is always ready. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your swim gear essentials. It's an affordable, genuine accessory that keeps your Duo MP5 powered and ready to perform. Don't let a dead battery disrupt your swim schedule. Add this authentic FINIS replacement charging cable to your gear and enjoy the confidence of always being charged up. In short, this cable offers fast charging, perfect compatibility, and the convenience of a handy spare. It's a practical addition that enhances your overall swim experience. If you want to keep your Duo MP5 running smoothly without interruptions, this genuine replacement cable is a reliable choice worth considering.